In my previous video, I shared with you how to make prekese powder, and I told you I will be bringing you what I'm going to use that for. And today, I have added 2 extra things. Not that I didn't know the uses of prekese, but I wanted to bring you something special and very unique, and I think I have it for you today. Hello, my name is Lena, and welcome to my channel. So we are making sobolu, moringa and prekese tea in today's video. Without wasting much of your time, I have my sobolu flowers. I've added some ingredients, and I'm going to leave everything on the screen and also in the description. So I realized that my bigger blender is not going to help me, so I pour the thing in the smaller one. So we are done blending our sobolu and the other ingredients. Okay, yes, so I wanted to add some pepper. You know that our sobolu is very hot, but when I wanted to add the pepper, my husband started laughing at me. We will talk about that one. So the next one that we are making is the prekese tea. Because of those who couldn't watch our powder, I will just show you how we got the powder. So I have my prekese, and what I'm going to do is that we are going to place this in my oven so that it can become soft for us to blend. Okay, yes, so it is out, and I'm just going to cut it. Then we get to the next thing that we are supposed to do. So please, I'll be leaving the link to the video on top. Click on it for me and go and watch, and please, I think it will be very helpful. Now we have enough, and to make it summary, we are going to blend everything, sieve it till it is smooth. So we've sieved everything, and now the prekese is smooth. So now let's get to the next procedure. So now I'll add some dark brown sugar to the powdered prekese and blend it till it is very smooth and mixed very well. So I read a comment, I think it was from Abne's word, that prekese is very strong and you need small portion of it. Yes, so please, when you are making it, you take small portion of it. I did it and taste all before bringing this to you, and it is very, very strong. So I would advise that you take it when you have something in your stomach, so not with an empty stomach. Okay, it is very, very strong. Thank you very much. So we are done with that one too, and we will just put it in our tea bag. The next we are going to do is the moringa tea. So I have my fresh moringa, and I placed it in the sun for 2-3 days. It dried, and I blended it. So this is the result that I have, and we have that one too in the bag. Please, if you don't want it to be in the nails, you just make sure you wear your gloves. Okay, yes, because I had a lot in my nails and I didn't like it. Yeah, so please remember to wear gloves when you are doing it, because you can see that it is very colorful. Yeah, so he was laughing at me because he said in the morning, if you want to take the sobolu, it will be too spicy. Why should you add pepper? So he named me Madam Pepper Tea. Madam Pepper Tea. Then I was like, I don't know, person will say, hey, Ram. And then real person will be encouraging once and why a baby. Then it will take 100 years. Don't wait for anyone to encourage you before you do something. If you know what you are doing is good or right, go ahead and do it, because the person you are waiting to encourage you would discourage you. That is just by the way. After I was done with everything, I have this A4 sheet at home, and I cut it into pieces. I wanted to write the name on it like that, and my husband was like, what is the uses of the printer we have in the house? I said, what do you want to do? He said, well, let me print it for you. So he did this for me, but I'm going to share with you how you can make it if you don't have printer at home. So when you get your tea bag, what you will do is that you will just fold the robe, then put the paper there and use your stapler. Okay, now let's make some tea. And remember the prekese powder, you don't have to take it too much, and also not in an empty stomach. Okay, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye. Enjoy the rest of the video, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and try this recipe. You're going to love it.